Welcome back to the Refoundry tutorial series. In this video, I'll demonstrate how the image block works and how to control the focal point. I have a two-column section and I want to add an image to the right. I'll add an image block and select an image from the library. By default, the image loads at full size. As you can see, this increases the height of the image column, which causes the left column to stretch to match it. To control this, I can set a fixed height for the image container from the settings. This limits the height of the image column. Now let's look at the image fit options. By default, it's set to cover. If I change it to contain, the entire image becomes visible, but it adds empty space on the sides. Fill stretches the image to fit the container. And scale down behaves similarly to contain. I will switch it back to cover. The focal point is set to the center of the image by default. But if I preview the page, you can see that the part of the image gets cropped from the top. I can fix this by adjusting the focal point to the top. Now the top part is visible. I can also move the focal point toward the bottom if needed. When I preview again, the visible portion adjusts accordingly. Focal points ensure that the most important part of an image remains visible, even when the image is cropped to fit different screen sizes. And that's how you can add an image, change the size, and adjust focal point.